What's up guys? It's Misako Rocks! Yay! Today's theme, whimsical, beautiful, manga hair, wavy hair, ta-ta, yay! It can be tricky, but so dramatic, really useful, so I'm going to show you step by step. Grab your pencil, color pencil, and a paper. Let's go! Yay! Okay, so let's start drawing guideline first. Her face is going to be slightly left side because her hair is moving to the right side, right? Go like this. Cross lines, necklines, stuff like that. Now I'm going to use a Japanese calligraphy brush pen. It's going to be sort of like, this is more like a fine, and this is a little, bold. More like a brush pen, yes. Whoops, sorry. Alright, so it's gonna be inside over here. Eyebrows. I mean, manga eyebrows is not that. Can you see it like this? It's not gonna be too expressive because her hair is gonna cover, right? Her eyebrows. Then we're gonna start drawing eyelid. Eyelashes, and I want to go a little bit of hook today. Go like that. Okay, in her eye, to the side, little bottom eyelid, 1, 2, 3. I feel something like this. And inside of her eye, I like to do, instead of bubble today, more, I guess, diamond. Doesn't even look like a diamond. A square, the bottom side, and a little bit more small bubbles and black bubble, kind of like this, and the other side too. If you don't want to draw two eyes open but yet still kawaii expression, you can just draw a wink. That's great too, but today I'm going to draw both eyes open. Okay, go like that. Here we go, here we go. This hook and the actual eye, bottom eyelid, eyelashes, square bubble, and a small bubble, small bubbles, black bubbles in the middle. Then nose. And you know what? Before we move to her lips, let's add color. It's gonna be pencil. So this eyelid, I made it sort of like a blank space like this because I wanted to add color. If you don't use color pencil, yes, that's great too. I'm using a pencil like that, and inside of eyes here, top to middle, press, 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 and when you reach the middle, start relaxing your wrist. So nice, beautiful. Here, gray, black, eye color, and I'm doing the same thing other side. Okay, here we go. Gray, 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 press, 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 relax your wrist. And if you want to add a little bit more shadow underneath eyelid, go for it. I've seen a lot, okay, in a manga anime, right underneath eyelid. Do you see just a little bit of gray? It's not makeup shadow, it's actual shadow, okay? Something like this. Then let's give her smile. Let's give her like just cute smile like this. Kawaii. Now we are going to give her face line. But. Look at my guideline. Look at this circle. It's a little bit short. And I'm sorry if you really didn't draw like this. It means you're gonna draw her guideline a little bit bigger, just in case, okay? Because her chin's not gonna be right underneath her lips. I'm going to have a little bit of space, more like that, like about right here, okay? Now I'm moving back to brush pen. It's gonna be a little thicker, okay? and I'm gonna go like this. Left, right, and so chin's gonna be around here, okay? And then let's give a nice cheek like this. Here we go. Ear, ear, neckline, neckline. And this here cross lines are a little bit messy, so let's erase that part, and then we are moving to her beautiful wavy hair. Okay, go like this. I gotta be really careful. So now we're going to start drawing her bangs. I hope you still have a head shape. Okay, so that's going to be a good guideline, right? So let's do from the middle. Go a little bit of short hair coming up. It's like almost a rainbow shape, right? And then go a little bit longer like this. So one wave goes, looking outside. The second one just kind of looking in like that. So those wavy hair, you don't want to draw every hair looking at the same direction. That's not realistic. Some of them looking outside and slightly up. I want to change it up, okay? And now I'm gonna go this side. Go like this, okay? And here, all pretty. And let's do more. Like this. Here, and I want to slightly move like this, and now I'm going to start drawing her here, this area. Go like this again, one wave in and down and out, okay? And a little bit of here, little edge, this part, go a little bit along. That's kind of nice. Hey, if you like this lesson, why don't you check out my online school, Learn Manga with Misako, where I teach live kawaii manga lessons weekly. You have access to a private online community where you can post your drawing and I give you direct feedback. Also, I share behind the scenes of my bookmaking. All the details in the description below. Check it out. Then we're gonna go more here. But at the same time, we're gonna make sure that her head shape is going to be nice, round, not too flat, not too small, okay? Here, let's look at my drawing. I think it's good. I think that's going to be at top of her head shape around here. And go like that. Like this. This hair, she can, be an elf too, don't you think? It doesn't need to be human character. If you change her ear shape just a little bit, elf. That's awesome. My students love that. Okay, go here. Now, this side, here's gonna be more like, it's gonna go right next to her face line. Like this. This. Here we go. Like that. Okay, so the neckline, but today, let's do casual. So it's gonna be just a t-shirt, okay? Neckline, not too complicated. Something like this. Now, let's start adding hair color. Oh, but sorry, before that, let me erase this head shape, this guideline. That's kind of annoying, right? Okay. Okay, so now we are going to start adding hair color. I'm gonna use nice dark brown and a little bit of tan, like those two mixed colors. You can use, of course, pencil, or if you want to change more hair color to really bright color or cool color, it's up to you. But if you can sort of use two tones, a little bit of like a darker and a medium color, that would be great. All right, so let's start adding shiny spots. That's the important sort of a thing for manga hair. So let's say I'm gonna go little, you know what, let me use a little light one. This spot, this is stretched jelly beans, that's gonna be shiny spots here, here, maybe a little bit more like that, right? And here, here. So I add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say 5 shiny spots. So those sections not gonna have any hair color. All right, so I'm going to start adding hair color from a top. Here we go. After you added darker tone, I want to do a little bit of lighter or medium, okay, the color, right? So I'm going to, around this shiny spot, I'm just gonna go over so you can make this hair color rich. And it just you know, makes it more realistic. So try that. All right, so let me start adding more hair color. Here we go. Ta-ta! Yay! We finished drawing a beautiful wavy manga hair. It's whimsical, rich, right? It looks realistic. Before we finish everything, let's add some nice Japanese phrase here. And yeah, let's finish up. So this time, maybe she can say, oh, what about like this? Nice to meet you in Japanese. Do you guys know? We say, yoroshiku ne. Yoroshiku ne. So I'm gonna write it down right here. It's actually a pretty useful phrase. If you meet Japanese person while you become a friend with and you want to say, hey, nice to meet you, right? We say yoroshiku ne in the end. So I'm gonna write it down here. So 1, 2, this is yo, ro, shi, ku. Last part is ne. When we say ne, more like a feminine actually. Again, Japanese, it can be complicated, but yoroshiku ne is more like feminine style. You don't want to, you know, if you want to say more like a boyish sound, yoroshiku, that's it. If you add a ne, more like feminine, okay? So, hai, yo, ro, shi, ku, ne. Alright, you guys did fantastic! Thank you so much. Arigato! Don't forget to like and subscribe Misako Rocks channel and check out my graphic novel Bounce Back Volume 1 right here. If you have any questions, comments about video, please leave your comment right here, okay? Thank you so much. Arigato! Bye bye!